Hello, so today we're going to talk to you a little bit about what a traditional classroom versus a flipped classroom is like. So a traditional classroom is basically what a lot of people have grown up in, and it's the teacher prepares and delivers instruction or a lecture in front of the classroom, and the students, they listen, they make notes. Hopefully they're making notes. They either get worksheets and they complete tasks that the teacher wants them to do. You get homework assigned, and the teacher's role is to lead the lesson and pass on the knowledge to the students. And then the learning activities are usually on in a textbook or on worksheets. And what a flipped classroom is, so that is basically a teacher prepares. It's most of the time it's a video of a lecture that they are giving, and the students bring that lecture home with them and they watch that at home on their own time. And their homework is to watch the video, and then when they get to class the next day, then they can do their homework, answer questions, and do more of the higher level thinking with the teacher there. So if they have any questions, they can ask the teacher those questions instead of just being at home and being stumped and trying to just throwing away the homework because they don't know any of the answers.
Meaning the traditional classroom versus the flipped classroom. So for a traditional classroom, before class, students are assigned something to read, and the instructor prepares a lecture. For the flipped classroom, before class, the students are guided through a learning module that asks and collects questions, and the instructor prepares learning opportunities. For the traditional classroom, in the beginning of class, students have limited information about what to expect, and the instructor makes general assumptions about what is helpful. And for the flipped classroom, students have specific questions in mind to guide their learning, and the instructor can anticipate where students need the most help. Um, Students practice performing the skills they are expected to learn. During the class, for the original traditional classroom, students try to follow along, and the instructor tries to get through all the material. For the flipped classroom, the students practice performing skills that they're expected to learn, and the instructor guides the process with feedback and mini lectures.